everyone, welcome back to Uzalo Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 20th to the 24th of September 2021 on Monday. Mamlambo informs Gonzi he needs to intervene with the Pastor Kwala situation. Nyao repays his debt and ended things with Coco. She'll find herself demoted to cleaner and runner at the Shisenyama on Tuesday. Nkunzi is struck by the nostalgia when he and Sambulo bond over a game of chess and their shared love of literature. Sibonelo needs 3.5 million to make his dream of building a distillery come to life on Wednesday. Nkunzi's kind of gesture start to crack in his house. Kapsile has one more request to the church, and Nyawo's attempt to evade Nosipo ends in tears on Thursday. Nkunzi unwittingly create tension between brothers while Kapsile is shocked at Lelo's antics at the Shisanyama and Kwamashu welcome a special guest on Friday. Sibonelo assures Kapsile that his distillery will go ahead. The Heritage Day event kicks off on just slap Nosipo. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.